Hello, Richard speaking from Eagle 6 Airsoft. We are going to be testing this Tokumari AK74 from TM. This one has had some upgrades, so the customer's request was that he wanted to have a better trigger response, better rate of fire, because it was just sort of a bit slow on the trigger response, occasional jams as well. Obviously, the only way to remove the jams permanently is removing the mechanical parts inside. So we've obviously removed those, and we've put in a Jefftron Leviathon version 3 MOSFET system. We've also installed the Solink Lite 31K brushless motor, and obviously we've reshimmed that motor accordingly, to the gears, just to make sure it's all good. Rebuilt the gun, and now we're just going to be demonstrating today on 3.2s. We added one extra power spacer just to bring the gun to 266 one shooting on 3.2s, and we're now just going to demonstrate it working. So obviously the bolt stop mechanism still works, obviously the gun shuts off. There you go, obviously still the same standard 7.4 volt battery, 1300, but as you can see now that rate of fire, trigger response, all dramatically improved, if you know what I mean. So we hope you enjoy. Thank you.